What's up, guys? Amazing returns, 870% profit, trade the crypto time recap. We got two examples here. We got a day trade and swing trade. On day trade, crypto properties. I shared this trade in the private list yesterday. We bought this coin for 0.00045. Put us our up here, 0.0016. I made $23,000. This is a swing trade, guys. 320%. Queen. I shared this trade in the private list on July 10. We bought this coin for 0.000006. Put us our up here. 0.000028. 320% profit. Now let me show how this thing is done. First of all, the trades I shared in the private list to the end this week was Shyft Network, StormX, Trabzonspor, Queen, and the crypto properties. Guys, pay attention to this. This is a day trade, volume spike plus buyer power. This is a swing trade. Let's go to the chart. This is a coin Geico. Go to the chart. This is a swing trade, guys. Swing trade, pay attention, it's all about volume. Right here on July 16, this coin volume was $200,000. On July 17, the volume was 459. So the volume double. I need this volume change to alert me so I can take a move. On the swing trade strategy, I will teach you, we buy before the pump because it's gonna be a long way up, okay? And another side, the day trade, crypto properties, guys. Pay attention here, volume spike plus buyer power, the price explode because there is no sellers to compete. I got a volume spike right here on July 20, and I shared this trade in the private list yesterday. That is a big difference. So the whole secret sauce is to keep in track the volume 24/7. That is the reason I fight so many coins. Also, guys, if you like to get those trades in real time, feel free to reach me out, tradecryptotime@gmail.com. I will let you know when you should buy and sell the day trade and swing trade. Also, I will teach you a swing trade strategy. We use a swing trade strategy to trade coins and the main cryptos right here. Okay? So my software right now is track 5,000 coins and you focus on volume. tradecryptotime@gmail.com. I will share all my trades in the private list. You just need to copy my trades. Also, if you don't like to trade, we can trade for you and provide you 25% return of investment. Takes your time. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.